Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. This is something totally new. Not too long ago I thought about installing a insulation on this garage door because it's always hot, very hot, and also extremely cold. So I went to Home Depot and I bought the insulation kit. So you see I've already installed. So, and there are two ways of doing it. There's a proper way and there's a rogue way. And so, this is number one, how to do it the rogue way, and number two, that I will be in the video as well. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it without measurement whatsoever. And this is the double-sided tape. I put one right here, and then put another one right here. Yeah, and then I will peel it off, both of them. Good. And this is the retainer clip. So I place one here, okay, and here, because you see it's not green anymore. So I remove the protective tape right here. So okay, so this is it. It's good for now. This is the remaining of the insulation. Okay, so basically the instruction wants you to cut it, but I don't have time to cut it, so that's why we said the rogue way. So you see here, there's a slot here, there's a slot, but there's no slot on this end. So what I do, I fold it. Now, if you have a smaller garage door where it will be too bulky to fold it, then you cut. But if you have this big garage door like me, then okay. So see, you have to make it fit just like this. Okay. There we go. See, I don't need to cut. And then yeah, you can pull it a little bit. Yeah. So what I will do later on all of them, when I will buy duct tape and then just put tape around here. So during a windy season, or they won't come loose at any time. Okay. All right. So now we have the retainer clips to install to keep this from falling off. So, and then you see, and you feel it. See it here, feel it. Now I don't press down here, but I just kind of like move it so I can have a little bit of the insulation here. So see here, I feel it, and then I cut. Yeah, just like this. You see, right out, and then I merge them like this. See now, it's not going to go anywhere. So I go here. Okay, I do the same thing. Okay, here, like this, and then I put this, and that's it. So this is the rogue way. If you want, you can cut it and stuff, but you see, you don't need to cut. And look, when I cut this one here, and then I ended up having this part here. But anyway, I will go ahead and tape them off. So this is how you install your insulation. But one thing they didn't say, this thing is heavy. Yeah, it is very heavy, so I will have to install a garage door opener, but I will wait until I break my back because right now it's not worth it. So I still can open it. Yeah, up and down. So now you can look at the proper way of doing it if you follow the instructions. Thanks for watching.